Companion plants like basil, alyssum and marigolds all have fragrant foliage or flowers, and these help attract pollinators and beneficial insects. Pollinators help our favourite crops like tomatoes and eggplants produce bigger harvests, and beneficial insects eat the bad bugs for breakfast, lunch and dinner. This bed is a great example of companion planting. Tomatoes and basil go really well together both on the plate and in the garden. The basil flowers help to bring in the bees, and it's said that the strong aromatic foliage of the basil helps deter pests. Just like the sweet Alice down the front here, that also brings in the bees with its really sweet fragrant flowers. And another great companion in this bed is the bright and cheery marigold. This great little combination punnet is perfect to plant out in all the beds in your garden. Here with the tomatoes, the marigolds will help bring in beneficial insects, but they'll also help to deter root knot nematode. And that's something that tomatoes can suffer from. So it's the perfect one to plant amongst your tomatoes. Now remember, when you're planting tomatoes, make sure you plant them deeper than they are in the pot. So this one here can be planted a good couple of centimetres deeper into the ground. I like to add at least 2 stakes now at planting, because adding them later might disturb the established tomato roots. And then I can add string looped between the 2 stakes at regular intervals to support the tomatoes as they grow. And the great thing about companion planting is just how pretty it looks. When you buy marigolds in big punnets like this, you can pop a few into each garden bed and they easily squeeze into small spaces on the sides or in between plants. There we go. That's going to look gorgeous.